Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure the TV power's on and you know which HDMI input you'll use. Plug the Fire TV stick into that HDMI port and then attach the USB power cable to the included adapter. Don't use the TV's USB port if you want stable power. Once done, switch the TV input to the HDMI port you used so you see the Fire TV home screen. This ensures the device gets sufficient power and the TV is ready to receive the signal. You'll now pair the remote and walk through the on-screen prompts. Insert batteries in the remote and hold the home button to pair. Follow the pairing confirmation you see. Next, connect the stick to your Wi-Fi network by selecting the network name and typing the password exactly. Strong Wi-Fi equals smoother streaming. Then sign in with your Amazon account so apps and purchases sync. Make choices about privacy and ads as you go. These settings customize the experience, but can be changed later. Finish by installing firmware updates and the streaming apps you want from the App Store. Updates improve performance and security. Adjust display and audio settings to match your TV, set display resolution, and enable HDMI CEC if you want control via the TV remote. Once configured, test playback to confirm everything works. If you see no picture, restart the stick by unplugging power for 10 seconds, confirm the TV input, and verify Wi-Fi. These checks resolve most final issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.